was the son of a pizza man.
Hey guys, welcome to Son of the Pizza Man. My name is Enzo. This is Dave.
Hi.
Oh, do you want to introduce yourself?
No, not anymore.
Come on. Do it.
My name is Dave.
Yeah. So today, we are not talking about pizza, but we are talking about Oreos.
Oreos!
Again. So Oreos just came out with 2 new flavors. Not super new. I'm a little late in the game, but whatever. Chocolate hazelnut and hot and spicy cinnamon. So chocolate hazelnut, basically Nutella chocolate Oreos, and hot and spicy cinnamon, basically red hot Oreos. So let's try the.
Okay.
What?
That's the one you want to try first.
Yeah. So we're gonna try the chocolate hazelnut first, and so they're golden Oreos with chocolate filling. So they smell like hazelnut. They smell like Nutella-ish, right? All right, ready?
I'll get you a lot of these.
They've got a very Nutella-y flavor for sure. I'm glad they went with the golden Oreo because I think the chocolate Oreo
We're gonna
would have been
overkill.
overkill.
Yep.
So that's good. I like it.
What does that taste like? There's like another cookie that's basically the same thing. Is it EL fudge?
Maybe.
I think it tastes just like those.
I wasn't a big EL fudge fan, but
I really like those a lot.
so good job on the chocolate hazelnut Oreos. So the hot and spicy cinnamon Oreos are a little more questionable because how do you feel about Red Hots, first of all?
I like Red Hots until I chew them. And then they get stuck in my teeth, and they're like soft-ish on the outside. Jesus Christ, these are so cinnamon.
Yeah. The smell is very fragrant. So I like the color of red and black.
They look like
very
holiday
striking.
Oreos, and I'm not really sure why they wouldn't put them out as holiday Oreos.
I'm predicting that I'm not gonna like these.
Okay.
I'm not a huge fan of Red Hots. You okay?
I'm gagging on all this flavor.
All right. Baby.
Hold on a second.
I'm not a huge fan of Red Hots. I'm not a huge fan of like super like spicy candy things, but anyway. Clink.
No, ma'am.
Is there a little zing of like hotness or like spicy?
Yeah, but they just taste really chemically.
Yeah.
Like the spiciness. It's really sticky. I don't know.
No.
I do not like these at all.
I don't hate them.
I think the combo of the flavor is really like I think that to try to get the spice factor up, they put a lot of cinnamon in there.
Yeah.
And the end result is something that's very not super spicy and tastes like chemicals.
Yeah, it's okay. It's definitely a novelty thing. They came out because of Valentine's Day, I'm sure. So this gets like a kind of like a
No bueno.
thumbs down.
Yeah, no bueno.
So yeah, that's our quick and dirty Oreo review.
So, hazelnut?
Yes. Cinnamon? No. So thanks guys for watching. Let us know if you've had these Oreos. I would love to hear your comments down below. Also, don't forget to like up this video if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you want to get a hold of me, you can hit me up on Instagram, Twitter. I was going to say thumbnail, but that's not right. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Okay. So until next time.
Smell you later.
Ciao for now.
The only
Are you so excited? Are you recording?